Everyone loves smoky jollof rice. Yes, smoky jollof. But not all of us like it burnt. Like me, I don't like the bottom part getting burnt, especially the stress of washing. So I bake it in the oven. So this is how I bake my jollof rice. I started by frying the sauce just like we do. So I started by frying the onions, then ginger and garlic paste. I do not have baby when I was making this, so I couldn't add it. So I just fry it with ginger and garlic paste and onions, and I fried until crispy. When I'm done with this process, I added some tomato paste. So I added tomato paste to this, and I fried for a few minutes until crispy. I can see that it is fried, it's getting burnt already. So I added my pepper mix, my jollof mix. I already had this mix saved for a long time. So I started by I added it and fried on low heat so it won't get really burnt. Though it still gets burnt. Trust stainless to always get burnt easily. So I seasoned it with salt, some curry, spicy aromatic curry, then um multi-purpose spicy multi-purpose spices again. So I added this and I fried until it is well combined. And after frying this, I added thyme as well. After adding the thyme, I fry again for a few minutes. So I realized that the multipurpose seasoning I added earlier is quite small, so I added more because the quantity of jollof rice is much. I think I'm cooking about 8 to 7 cups here. So I fried it until it's dried. You can see that it's really fried well. Then I added the washed rice, and I fried it because we are frying jollof rice now. And added the broth. I'll be stuck there. So I added this and fry, and after adding it, I cover it with foil. I cover it with foil and I cover it properly. Then after this, I transferred it into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is what I have after 45 minutes of cooking, and it is done. Look at it. The smokiness is still there, but it's not getting burnt, but still smoky. Look at it. See, you can see the bottom part, and it is very nice. You can see the smoke is not letting you see how fine and nice it is. So this is how I bake my jollof rice in the oven. I bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I scoop it out as hot as you can see how the smoke is coming out of it. And looking at it is not getting burnt. I have my jollof rice in full fine coming out in green. After it's cooled and it's going to come out in green. You can see how nice it is. Thank you for watching.